Hello everyone. Today is Thursday, October 4th. It's 3:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's about 40 minutes before the regular session close. On my right is my computer clock showing the date and time, and on my left is the time and sales, the Emini S&P currently trading at 2903. Quite a day in the S&P and the markets in general. I guess pressure is on the markets because of, rising interest rates, perhaps. And somewhat of the Kavanaugh confirmation perhaps is weighing on the market. In any case, the DAX didn't care. It came roaring back today. Yesterday was a German holiday, so the DAX didn't trade. But today was exceptional for the DAX. First up is the Super Renko 14 tick with the higher time frame filter, hitting its goal of 3,500 with a little bit of slippage. There was basically two losing trades here. The rest were really solid winners. You can see the equity curve. There was hardly any drawdown. Okay, the DAX on the 16 tick is slightly less noise than the 14 tick, and you can see it here. There was only one losing trade. Kind of similar action, slightly different money management, but a much cleaner chart. And this one also hit its goal of 3,500, and it looks like it had pretty nice positive slippage of $125. It doesn't look like much here on this trade, but two contracts did 22.6250, and this is a line break chart. So the size of this move kind of demonstrates how big the moves are in the DAX. Okay, perhaps have become one of our most consistent charts in the DAX is the 150 Heikin Ashi, and this did 22.37 on 3 trades total. There was no drawdown today. On this one, the goal is 25.50, so just shy of its goal here. Okay, the DAX on a Super Renko 14 tick with a $2,000 goal came up just shy of its goal at 1812.50 for the day on 2 contracts. Okay, the NASDAQ on a 151 Heikin Ashi chart did 1490 for the day. A little kind of moderately active here on this chart, but all in all finished on the upside, and our goal on this, I'm pretty sure, is 1500. So pretty active on this chart, making an equity high here of about 600 and then drawing down about 150 per contract, and then coming back here to ultimately hit its goal. Okay, next is the crude oil on the Super Renko 7 tick. Again, this doesn't look like much, but it resulted in 1220 for the day on 2 contracts. Okay, next is the Emini S&P on our line break logic, and this had 4 or 5 trades, a little bit of a drawdown here, about 200 per contract. Actually about 135 per contract, because this is 3 contracts here. And then it came up and probably hit our goal of 1,300 and had some slippage on the end. So pretty consistent chart, and again, nice performance. Okay, the Dow on a 1597 Heikin Ashi tick chart had 3 winning trades and 1 loser at the end. The goal on this one is 1750. And this is a limit order with a pullback of 4 ticks. It used to be 8 or 10 ticks, and I lessened it because it was not taking enough trades. So 1280 on 2 contracts in the Dow is quite good. Okay, the E-mini S&P on a straight 5-minute chart got filled way down here, because on this chart I have quite a large reversal look back. So this was within the 10 bars, and it got filled and came very close to its goal at 1,300, and just a really nice trade here. Okay, the Emini S&P on a Super Renko 5 tick with a higher time frame filter hit its goal of 750, and this Super Renko 5 has been quite good for us. Okay, the Emini S&P on a Super Renko 6 tick hit its goal of 1,000 on a single trade here. This is trading 3 contracts, so looking for about 325 per contract. Okay, the ES on a 5 Renko trading 3 contracts had 1 loser and 2 winners here and hit its goal of 1,050 with positive slippage. Okay, the crude oil on a Super Renko 6 tick with not using our, well, it is using our line break logic. Did pretty good here, no drawdown, and came up and did 990. Our goal on this is 1,000. Okay, next up is the DAX on the Super Renko 8 tick, and this had a couple of trades here and did 800 for the day. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.